If you learn Chinese from textbooks, you might sound like this. 你好，你好吗？我很好，谢谢你。No one talks like that in real life, and that's exactly why so many people learn Chinese for years but still sound unnatural. But don't worry, today I'll show you how Chinese people really speak. Hi, this is Dom. I'm from China and now living in New Zealand. I make videos to help you sound like a real Chinese person, not like a textbook. Let's start with the most famous one, 你好. Yes, it's correct, and we do say it, but mostly to strangers. If I meet someone for the first time, I might say 你好, but with friends, almost never. If you're texting a friend, we usually say 在干嘛, means what are you up to, or 干嘛呢 means what's up. It feels much more natural, more casual, and more like real conversation. Now please repeat after me. 在干嘛？在干嘛？在干嘛？干嘛呢？干嘛呢？干嘛呢？ The next one is 谢谢. Of course we do say it, but not as often as you think. We say 谢啦 means thanks. 多谢 means thanks a lot. 太感谢了 means I really appreciate it. Now repeat after me. 谢啦多谢太感谢了 You can reply like this. 不用谢 means no problem. 不客气 means no worries. 小事 means no big deal. Now repeat after me. 不客气不用谢小事 Because in Chinese culture, we don't always like to sound too formal. We prefer to sound more relaxed and closer. The third one is 我不知道. It's correct, but it sounds a bit too direct. In real life, we usually say 我不太清楚 means I'm not really sure, or 我也不确定 means I'm not sure either. Now repeat after me. 我不太清楚我不太清楚我也不确定我也不确定 Because Chinese people often try to sound softer and less direct. So here's the key. Chinese is not just about words, it's about how you sound. We care a lot about tone, context, and relationship. Sometimes, what you don't say is just as important as what you say. So, if you want to sound natural in Chinese, don't just learn from textbooks. Learn how real people speak, because sounding natural is what makes people understand you and connect with you. If you want to speak Chinese like a real native speaker, not a textbook, follow me and tell me in the comments what's the weirdest Chinese phrase you've ever learned. I'll see you in the next video.